just can't get this teamwork thing down. Sorry. I'm going back for good.
Put those down right now! If you take another one...